Sobrang natutuwa ako sa kanya kasi yung simula nung narinig ko yung song choice niya, talagang grabe. Kasi mahirap yung kantang yun. I think I've heard different renditions of that song already, but I've never like heard any kids sing that song. So I think this is one of the firsts na nakarinig ako ng ganitong version na bata ang kumanta. It's such a very, very hard song. I couldn't even like begin to imagine. Like, kung kakantahin ko siya talagang magiging parang extra effort siya for me para kantahin ko. But that kid, I really want to mentor her. I know it's gonna be an exciting journey with her. Marami pa ako ituturo sa kanya. Of course, like, technical-wise, but I love her already. I love her vibe. And feeling ko, ano siya, yung gusto niya itong ginagawa niya, gusto niya matuto at nakikinig siya. And that's what's gonna make me feel like the luckiest kasi kapag gusto ko na nakikinig yung mga bata sa mga tinuturo namin as coaches kasi hindi din biro yun. And yun, very happy, excited ako na makatrabaho siya.